Let's see what they want over here. Earthquakes with magnitude less than 2 are considered micro earthquakes. And what is the percentage? So they want the percentage, and we're going to be using the information over here as the base. No problema. So we're going to reset this, second reset, and we're going to go second data, normal cumulative distribution frequency. In that, our mean is 1.148. 1.148, and sigma is 0.49. 0.549. Let's make sure we got it right. 1.148 and 0.549. All right. And then the question is less than. That's a keyword. That means no more than 2.1 or 3 or anything like that. So we're gonna leave the lower bound is open, and the limit as high as it can go is gonna be 2, and we're gonna calculate, and this is part of our answer. So they want a percentage. What we're gonna do is we're gonna save this as x, and then we're gonna quit, and they want it in 2 decimal places. So we're gonna come back over here to mode, and I'm gonna change this to 2 decimal places, and now we're gonna grab our x times 100 to convert it into a percentage, and it's 93.97. And the most important part of the whole game is this one. Make sure that we input the right numbers in here with the correct decimal, the precision of 2 decimal places. So we're done with that. Now they say earthquakes above 4.0 will cause above. That means the lower limit is going to be 4, and the upper limit is going to be open. So we're going to come back, distribution, this is where we started, and notice that the numbers that we input previously, the 1.148 and the sigma, is still in there. That's the reason why it's important to clear the memory before beginning any new case. So back to this, above 4.0, so our lower limit is 4, nothing less than 4, but everything above it. So 4, we're gonna leave it like that, and we're gonna calculate, and the answer is 0. So 0%. And then now they want to find the 95th percentile. For that part, we're gonna go with a different tool. Same over here, second data, distributions, but this one is gonna be the inverse normal. and in here they want the 95 percentile, so that'll be 1 is 100, and then 95 will be 0.95. And notice again, the previous numbers are already in there, and observe that it says that they want 3 decimal places. So in this case it's only giving us 2. So what we need to do is come back again to mode and modify the setting where we previously say 2 decimal places. Now we're gonna go to 3, and this gives us an opportunity to come back and do this again. So it's gonna be the 3, the inverse normal, and notice that it's still, the numbers are still in there. So they, even though that we went to change the precision, the digits precision, that value is still in there, the set of values. So we're gonna come back and we're gonna calculate, and now we have 2.051. So let's go in here, and it's 2.051, and the next thing is that they're gonna ask us a question. Will all earthquakes, oh, this is a keyword, all, above the 95 percentile cause indoor items to shake? When they are saying all, that's the keyword that is going to lead us to a no. And the options on the no is no, because not all earthquakes above the 95 percentile have magnitudes above 4.0. That is the answer. So that's pretty much about it for this. Let's validate that our answers are correct. So that one was the number 3 question, and the number 3 question, it says that is correct. I'm gonna come back over here, and we don't see any red tails, so we were right. Thank you very much for your attention.